Alright, today we're going to be talking about a Puroma universal cell phone mount for a tripod. It was about $8 or so. We'll get to the unboxing part. Instruction manual. Not even instructions, it's just technical support, I guess. But yeah, this is it. I guess this is how you adjust the. This is how you tighten up the. Yeah. And this is the mount for the tripod. I got my Joby Gorilla tripod here. We'll show you guys. Yep, fits pretty good. And then you can turn this any way you want. You can turn it that way, sideways, or however you want to turn it. So yeah, I mean, it's pretty good for $7. So it looks like it has two rubber parts here for better hold for the cell phone. It doesn't scratch it either. Let's see how far it opens. Wow, it's pretty good. It'll hold your S Plus, S8 Plus, or an iPhone Plus. But yeah, this is the mount I got. It's at Amazon. Alright, well, thank you for watching. This is my quick review on the mount for my cell phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.